Welcome to Alizia Traders and Exporter. Almond wholesale market in India is primarily centered in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, which is known for producing some of the finest quality almonds in the country. There are also almond wholesale markets in other parts of India, such as Maharashtra and Gujarat. In Jammu and Kashmir, the main almond wholesale market is located in the city of Srinagar, where almonds from different parts of the state are brought and traded. The market operates primarily during the winter season, which is the peak time for almond harvesting in the region. Apart from Srinagar, there are also almond wholesale markets in other cities and towns of Jammu and Kashmir, such as Pulwama, Budgam, and Baramulla. These markets cater to both domestic and international buyers, and offer a wide range of almond varieties, including the famous Kashmiri almonds. In Maharashtra, the almond wholesale market is located in the city of Mumbai, which is one of the largest trading hubs in India. The market is known for offering high-quality almonds from different parts of the country, and attracts buyers from all over India as well as from abroad. In Gujarat, the almond wholesale market is located in the city of Ahmedabad, which is another major trading hub in India. The market is known for offering a variety of almonds at competitive prices, and is a popular destination for almond buyers from across the country. Overall, the almond wholesale market in India is quite diverse and offers a wide range of options for buyers. However, as with any wholesale market, it is important to do proper research and buy from trusted sellers to ensure quality and authenticity of the product. Thanks for watching.